Hello friends, welcome to this fourth part of this OpenShift deployment series. So in the previous tutorial we have seen how we have deployed a simple Spring Boot and Angular application. So here we'll see the CI/CD part of that. Example, like if we do a commit on master branch and then how with the webhook how we can initiate the build, how we can automate the process. Yeah, let's see. So in this section, we will see the CI/CD with Openshift pipeline. Okay. So for that, first step is in the go to administrator. Okay, tab and install this Red Hat Openshift pipeline. Okay. So we can install from operator hub. Since I have already installed, so I will not install it again. So this is the first thing we need to do. And let's switch to developer tab and deploy one sample application and see how it works. This is the sample application. Okay, so this is the public. Okay, click on add, import from Git. Branch is main, context directory will not change, it is not required. It has by default selected Java 17, so we can also change here. We'll select Java 8. Sample app. Deployment config. Now we can see this step, so that it has come up. Okay, so this is the pipeline, existing pipeline which has come up. So it has three stages like fetch repository, clone, build and deploy. Okay, we can also create our own pipeline. Okay, that I will show in the next section. We need to go switch to OpenShift project and we can create it. Okay, so create root, click on create. It will take up some time. Okay, these triggers are also being created. You can go to this build. We can go to this build and we can see I have to switch to administrator section. Builds, build config. We have to go to pipelines. Sorry. So it will go to pipeline. Okay. So it is fetching the repository. So here this is the the logs. Okay. So we can see this. It is fetching the repository. Fetch repository is being done. Okay. Now it is building it and finally it will deploy. Okay. So this is the pipeline. Click on sample app. So these are the triggers it has created. So this trigger is used for webhook that we will configure now. Okay, pipeline runs. Okay, it is building up. Let's wait. Yes, it will take some time. Yes, it is downloading the Maven artifacts. Yes, after some time, after a while, we can see this all the steps has been done. Okay, so we'll come back to pipelines. Okay, and now we'll go to roots. Okay, and we'll click on sample app. So okay, so so now we can see this. It is our my service is up and running, and we can also see from the developer tab. Yes, so this is up. Okay, and now we'll see how from the how the webhook works. Okay, so we'll go to pipeline. Okay, this is the trigger template. We need to copy. Okay, and this will come to webhook. We need to add this. Okay, secret is not required. Push event. Add webhook. Okay, we'll see. Yes, ping is successful. And now let's change the code. Okay, so let's commit the code. Okay, let's go to setting again. Webhook. Yes, the push event has been successfully delivered. So let's come here again, go to pipeline. Okay, and now we can see this build has been initiated again. Okay, and again it will take up some time to deploy application. Okay, and we can see from here also logs detail. Yes, so currently it is building up. Yes, after some time we can see this application is deployed successfully. Okay, all the steps has been done. It is deployed. So now let's refresh it. Yes, we can see this OpenShift pipeline testing. Okay, so old pods are deleted and new pods are deployed. And we can also uh, create our own pipeline. Okay, so we need to shift to administrator. Okay, and we need to go to projects. We need to select OpenShift project. We need to go to pipeline. Okay, we have to go pipeline. Okay, so here we can see all this default pipelines are stored here. So if we have to create any pipeline, okay, so we can create it like this. Okay, let's see pipeline like test Java. So it will ask you to add a task. Okay, like clone. Okay, so git clone. We will add it here. Okay, it will ask you to add a workspace folder. Test. Okay, missing parameters. So this URLs and all. So we can see the existing ones, how it is being done. In this way, we can configure our own pipeline. Okay, and it has various tasks and all. So task, uh, we can see this task from here. Okay, the clone task, sonar task, everything we can do it from here. Okay, so all these tasks are by default tasks. We can add additional task also. That is also possible. So let's see the existing S2I Java, how it is written. Okay, this is fetch repository, build and deploy. So here some annotations are there. Okay, and okay, we can edit also. Okay, see this parameters, app name and all. Okay, JDK 11. Okay, see this how it is configured here. Okay, so in the same way we can add as many tasks as we can. Okay, so if we do like this, like sonar. Okay, sonar cube scanner, so that also is possible. uh, so let's not change this is the default one. Okay, and with this meant like I am ending this section of with the OpenShift pipeline, CI/CD OpenShift pipeline. Okay, and yeah, in the next section we'll see how we can do CI/CD with Jenkins. Yeah, thank you for watching.